I want to do some slow motion flying today. Might be a bit dark outside, we'll see. And I want to go in the woods, and I've got to light a bonfire, so I thought I could maybe do all the things at the same time. That camera can't do 4K slow motion, it can only do 4K 30. So I think we can do 1080p, 120 maybe? I don't know. It's a test, I've not tried it before. So we'll see what happens with the fire. I'm thinking the fire being a light is going to be enough brightness for the slow motion. We'll see. I'll put everything on auto and then see what happens. I've been busy. I've been cutting all the scraggly bits off of there. Cut out this one. And then I got loads of bits to clear out over here. What I want to do is got to burn all these branches, not under the trees maybe, and then I want to try and do some slow motion around the fire, see what happens. I don't quite know what's going to happen. It might be too dark in here, I don't know. Sun is just setting, we'll have to see. I bring you fire. Oh, it's getting quite big now. So hopefully it's enough light. This might be a complete fail. We just have to see. So yeah, got no idea what's going to happen. Gimbal check as I got grit in them again. So yeah, let's fly through the fire. Well, not through it, but around it. And then we'll do a quick check, see if anything comes out. I've come back in, I was losing the light. This thing was proper annoying the crap out of me. You're supposed to double tap, and it's supposed to, the light will go green, and then you do the QR code thing. Would it go into QR code mode? No. All it kept on doing was just recording again. I'm like, my goodness me. So I don't know what the issue is there. If you do it fast, double tap, doesn't seem to do it. Do it slowly, doesn't seem to do it. Just starts recording, and then you have to stop the recording, wait a moment, and then double tap again. Still doesn't work sometimes. Power cycle it. So I'm not 100% sure what's going on there. Whether it's just me being an idiot, or could do with a firmware update. I don't know, it's got the latest firmware. Be interesting to see what the video footage came out like. I'm going to just put it on the computer now. What we'll do is we'll give it a demonstration. I bet it works first time now. So what you would normally do
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning. Disarmed. Acro mode. Air mode on.
Right, so what you would normally do is plug it in. Right, it's connected to the radio. Right, so you see the red light is on. So normally you go double tap on that, it's a button as well, and it will go green, and then you do the QR code thing. Sometimes it just refuses to do it. No, see, it didn't do it. It just started recording. So then what you have to do is stop it, and I like wait a moment, try again, double tap, just starts recording. It will go green. Well, if you plug it into the wall via the USB, it will work every time. But when you're trying to do it, and I don't know if it's me being stupid, right, it's stopped. Right, double tap. 1, 2. Yay! See, that time it worked. So, but I couldn't get it to do it outside in the woods. Quite frustrating. Right, I can change it back to what I want to change it to. It's a surprisingly high bit rate. I didn't realise it was that high. 76 megabits a second. So it can go, it's a shame it can't use 76 megabits a second on the 4K 30. It only does 57, I think. So it can do a higher bit rate, but not on 4K. Shame. I'm just finishing off the edit. Done the gyro flow. Now we're on CapCut. Not sure how to do slow motion. I've not done it before. And so I filmed it in 120 frames a second, but I don't think CapCut can do 120 frames a second without being pro. So I've sort of half worked it out, but it's not quite right. I've had to slow the speed down. Oh, so if I go in here, what I did was I used this. Where are we? I slowed the speed down and then used smooth slow-mo. But the video is 120 frames a second video, but the project is 30 frames a second. So I'm not quite sure. Anyway, that's what I've done. So we'll see what we can do. I thought I'd just finish off my little blog with it now smells of bonfire. Oh, if you smell the bottom of it. That smells nice.